How's it going, people? YouTube, Matt here with another YouTube video. That's my truck. This was Storm Caly, Caly, I don't know. Kind of gives you an idea of how much snow we got. Looks like a good 6 inches of accumulation. That's my truck. Got the windshield wipers up so as they don't freeze through the windshield. I recently moved in down to Portage, however you pronounce it. So here we got a Wisconsin winter wonderland. Always like the way the snow collects on the trees like that. Kind of gives it that white shadow. Gonna take a walk towards the river over here. Let's take a look at the river. I am wearing shoes I probably shouldn't be wearing in the snow. Really should have bought some winter boots this year. So, according to the weather forecast, it's supposed to snow until late tonight. It's still actually snowing as we speak. If this isn't just snow falling off the trees. Go over here, take a look at the river, see what the river's doing. Excuse me. Looks like we got some hunks of ice floating out there. Now this used to be a boat launch, but what happened was over time, a bunch of sediment accumulated and made this island here. Can't see it right now, but there is a, this used to be a concrete ramp, or actually part of it is still there, and it's underwater now. I'm not even going to try to walk across that, but anyways, there's some ice floating out there. It's all the way across the river there. So I guess I'll do it for this Weathershare. This is how far I walked. I think I'll go inside and get warm and put this video on YouTube. And until that time, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to favorite. Till next time, hope to stay warm.